Ekene m gị Igbo ndị mana ege m ntị n'ụbọchị nke taata sị m udo dịrị nwoke udo dịrị nwaanyị na ebe nọ na-enene m ihe ọma ya emela onye ọbụla biko na o nwere vidiyo ị na-afọ n'ebe a ya vidiyo yesterday o nwere ihe m kwuo one of my video na-ekwu okwu na-enwe sị na enwere ihe na-emenụ very one widow nwanụ ndị be ha ụmụ nwanne di ya chụpụrụ ya ezi so na mgbe m nwetara the details about it I'm going to say something about it and also to tell ourselves the truth. Okamma na ka nkwuo ya ekwu na abụrụ na biko this issue of widow nwaanyị di enwu ụmụ nwanne azụwa property ọka njọ na Anambra steeti by ọka njọ na achọrọ m na onwere ebe ọ na-adịrị ụlọ understand the underlying word asị m gị na ọka njọ na Anambra steeti by ọka njọ na Anambra steeti by the same story kwa ka Harrison post about one guy ya na nwunye gwacha traditional wedding mbọsị ya ewe jeje di ewe nwa ndị be ha bịa zọkwasa ya property because the woman is from Imo State. Ụmụ nwoke, it's time to begin. People have been standing this warning. Always take care of your health because ụmụ nwanne gị don't care about your children, neither did they care about your wife. Atakwa m ndị na-eji emekọ to marriage you. Atakwa ndị na-emekọ because they know that even the traditional wedding I recognize it being agbamunkwụ di na nwunye ime ego mehekwa ọgwụ isi nwaanyị, most people don't even honor it again. So that is why ihe anụnwa say it, you begin to fight in the course of the law. Ọ dịrọ nụ mma onye ọbụla ma na ndị be ha so eme ihe a nwekwana ndị be unu na a lot of you do online so you people, if you are seeing this video, si na ajọ ihe ahụ na-emepụ ọ dịrọ mma so that ka anyị mara ihe na-apịagbusi ndị mmadụ because na ana na-agba ụgwọ ndị nwere anwụ na-agba ụgwọ. You don't have to say because na nwaanyị a na di ya nwụzi bi nwanne gị nwoke ka nwanne gị nwoke a nwe ka o si jide ngụwa nke inwe ejiro gị afọ because mansi na ejiro just that na nke inwere ejiro gị afọ. Sometimes ọ dịza ka unu nwaso egbu nwanne unu nwoke ha nwụrụ just because you want to take over. Ụfọdụ oge is not even the property na-eso okwu. Ụfọdụ oge some of you want to be sleeping with your brother's late wife. Ọ bụrụ na the woman na-ekwere unu atọnụzi against her. Ọ dịrọ nụ mma. The thing, this issue of ụmụ nwaanyị nwụọ ọka njọ na Anambra steeti by, and I don't know when this thing will stop. So it's time we start speaking against it. It's high time we start speaking against it. Ọ dịrọ nụ mma ndị be wepụ na aka enwe n'ofe tupu ọ ghọba aka mmadụ. Now this video na for kam break phone and then I say can go from the right up for yosin. Please, a widow's property thrown outside by her late husband's elder brother's children in Enugu Adazi Enu in Anaocha local government area of Anambra State. According to her, she struggled to make sure they conducted proper burial for her husband 8 months after his death. Underline this word, 8 months after the man. No, the woman agbagale. Communication enye di befitting burial. Amara me hu na befitting burial. Why unu ya atọ burial ka isi no carnival. Mmadụ nwenwe ihu na emenwu abandon this time is high time I be put to this love ịgba ime burial ọ dịka na eme carnival. Ụfọdụ oge nsị na wee ndị Hausa si enyi mmadụ kakwuru mma onye nwa akwụkwọ eji awụsiti ya na nwata nke Liverpool a nwere ego pụ na nwere ego niile ọnwụ na obulu the following day inie ya nke aha gaa ọ bụrụ ndị be anyị ebusi achọwa mgba invite gọvanọ mgba invite president ewee tobe egwu gbuwe kumgbuwe achọkwanụ ijiri ego ga-eme na ihe dịrị gị mma mana at least burial kwesịrị ịbụ ịpụta you console with the family. Onwe ihe nwe ihe ha for their loss. Oburozi when you have to labor all day to make sure that you feed the people that will come and the rice at the end of the day achụwa gị na bed gị. Isai time ndị Igbo na-ebanye ha anụ anya asị ka aka ha nwaanyị ka ọ na-atụkwasị di ya. Ha also immediately after the burial the family started threatening her and her 2 sons. Onye nke amụtakwala nwa 2 sons, that they are not part of their family, that their brother did not marry her, that she came to the family with the 2 kids. They accuse her that their late brother is not their biological father. Their brother is not their biological father. Then the woman said that she has evidence of her traditional marriage with her late husband at her father's house in Nsukka, Enugu State. that many of her husband people attended the ceremony in her father's house. She insisted that the children belong to her late husband. She is calling on Anambra State Governor Charles Soludo and the wife to help her and her 2 sons. Odenoma. Okay, unu si na oboro ihe anaghị emeta isi nwanne unu nwoke mgbe ọ nọ ndụ ọsị unu na nwa ha abụrụ nwa ya. Mgbe ọ nọ ndụ ọsị unu na nwa ha abụrụ ka unu just chọkwu unu kukwe up story nke Harrison Post ọ sịrị na ndị be the guy na-asị na the woman mee fake marriage and eme traditional marriage fake. Unu for wedding picture, unu for video, unu for card, enye unu card date where people attended those things. Still unu to the woman nga for more than 1 month ono na nga with him mayor. Because no pepe uzo bedi unu pochia which una sino me break and entry na bedi kwa. The Anambra by enough is enough no di ha. Enough adikene enough. Because
le property we call the daisy. Le property bo Soludo bikodo. Agbarba kwa na kotwan, anbe je kwa kotwan.
Okay, please watch this video. Basala this woman bakwa. Ifenya na Ndigbo DNA Jesse DS were nwa. Oh, in fact, I na-ekwulu basala movement. Yes, it movement ebogene. Oh, tuna agbo. Oh, tuna akwu ndị mmadụ na-asị. Anyị were fụ na evu na mpụ na aghụghọ mana ọsọ na Igbo. In this kind thing now, o nwere ike na ọ bụla ezie na nwaanyị na-eme mmegbu ọ na nwaanyị na onwe na-emegbu ndị emegbu mana ife a bụ ife a ga-eji uche were tụne maka asị na uche ka eji agba adaka. Please watch the video and tell us what you think. HR the number, inbox me because now this woman must get justice and I personally am eziokwu dị n'ime okwu ya. Watch.
I got one, and I just got one. How from the first episode, Enugu? But from the 13, February, Saga, Zuyama, 42. 42, magistrate continent. 42, some of 1 year, Marco. Chineko, 1 year, Marco, Bruna Maza Hawk. Here was a parable property. Because Soludo, I beg you go fit tell us what you make your husband people carry your property, can't keep outside for land like this. They beat your son. You tell us what happened. What happened is my husband fell sick. No one helped me. It's only my senior brother Christian. We suffered. We spent a lot of money. Immediately after the death of my husband, 10 days after, they came to sell the land. I got the information. I rushed them to the land. So immediately we rushed them to the land. We blocked the land. We said that the land is not for sale. They said, who asked me to say? Isaiah now came back. He said, who asked me to stop not to sell the land? I said, Isaiah, when will you sell the land? Almost 12.8 million naira, which we spent. I treat this man. We did not sell the land. Is it now? Why you want to sell the land? He said, Ebuka has right to sell the land. I said, Ebuka, who did not even contribute, even sorry for the sickness of her father, is the one they want to sell the land. I said, nobody will sell the land. Isaiah and his children say, why will I say Isaiah is Omubeli? I said, nobody will sell the land. Isaiah is Omubeli from Enugu Adasi in Anyocha local government. Isaiah now said, if I say they will not sell the land in my front, what happened to my husband will happen to me. I said, let's see to them that nobody will sell the land. He said, if I don't come out for the house and life, I will come out in debt. They will carry my corpse. I said, they don't born you well. That will not go anywhere and nobody will sell the land. If Ebuka want to build the house, he should come and build the house. But to sell the land, they will not sell the land. They say, let's see what will happen. So what you can make them carry your clothes and you everything see your stove, everything down and your phone. I went to Nobi to buy something. I took my son to school. From there, I went to Nobi. Inside Nobi, I received call that they have removed all the sink of my house. Rushing to the house, I saw my load outside. All your house, they don't put everywhere. The zinc, don't the zinc, and all they break some part of it. So I now came back and asked why. They say it's from court judgment. I said, which court? Court judgment, and the court did not issue me any summon. Okay, we now ask the belief that is there when the belief say court. I said, okay, belief. Did you see me here when you came? He said no. He came 2 times. He did not see me. I said, okay, you came 2 times, he did not see me. Why did you guys lie to court that he gave me some? He didn't give me some. I've been coming to court 1. This is court 1 and this is court 2. So you want to tell me that since I've been coming to court, he didn't see me there to give me the summon. The belief say not concern him. The judgment has taken place. Judgment has taken place. That's why they bring all my load outside.
Imagine.
That's why.
Everything.
They judge me without hearing me. Court 2, magistrate court, then he judge me without hearing me. Nobody summon me. So let the land bear me witness. Nobody summon me. I did not receive any paper from court 2. Let the land judge me. If I receive any paper and deny, let the land judge me. We are filing money. We are filing money.
This is a matter of you go figure your number in case if anybody want help you.
My number is 080 640 752. Please pardon me. 080 640 752. Beacon, salute Beacon. Every matter clear beg. Salute Beacon.
Here and no be adina.
Yes, that's it. We get Okito. I called Igwe won them. The man tried. They tell me. They said it to my president that even the Attorney General of the Federation cannot stop them. Even the IG with their money, they can do what they want to do. The Nigeria government is hungry people. So I thought it was right. They say what they don't get is what they don't want.
Wow.
So I thought it was right. Till this happened, government Biko, I
do you have anything to say towards this? What do you have anything to say? Do you have anything to say? You know, this woman they cry. No, you understand everything.
This man they cry. I know it's not because like this I see this and I'm so sorry. That's a widow do. But nobody.
I wonder where this woman and him Pekin go sleep. Another one still there for load. They come back from school. I don't know where they go sleep for tonight. Now this one pass me. Me where they look the thing pass me. Please, if they want this, anyhow you can still help this woman. Please help. Any brothers, it happen for any brothers. The woman and the Pekin. They go outside now. Let the property go outside. Please, madam, stop crying. It's enough. It's enough. I believe God. God and the land you are calling will help you.
Let the justice prevail. The saving Attorney General will not stop them.
That number, okay, that number again. Madam, if you call her my
080 640